Hello from Ibiza, Andy from Crypto Deals here, guys. And now we're going to talk about the project called K100, Keep It 100. And of course, we are going to do a scam check, okay? If you've been subscribed to the channel for a long time, you know we are looking for, has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd? Is there a sustainable business model behind this, okay? So let me show you guys. First of all, we are also going to look, is there a white paper? So first of all, there's no link at all to a white paper, okay? So this is the first red flag, because if there would be a legit business model behind it, they would explain it, how it works and so, okay? So guys, you know, I prefer to stick to trading, and if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys. Basically it says earn 10% per day for 10 business days, okay? So how can this be somehow sustainable? Let me show you guys. Will it be sustainable? I would say no, because as you can see here, there is no contract address, okay? Basically they should put the contract address there, then we could at least check how much is there in the contract. And of course there has not been made any audit, okay? So there's the contract has not been audited. There's no KYC. That means the team doesn't show their faces. They don't show their faces, they don't show their names, nothing. Basically they are just hiding behind this. As you can see here, no white paper, no contract address, no contract audit, no KYC. So just red flags, guys, here. So basically what it is another Ponzi scheme. They just call it another way. I mean, doesn't matter, there are so many of those projects out there. One time it's called this way, and then this way, then they change the colors and all of this stuff, but basically all just Ponzi schemes, yeah? That means if you invest in this project and they get new people in, they will take the money of the new people, paying rewards, and at some point they will just rug pull. That means maybe in 5 hours it's gonna be gone, and they just take the money, whatever is in the contract, and they're gonna leave. So that's it, guys. Would I invest in this? Of course not, because it's just a Ponzi scheme, and they're gonna rug pull pretty sure at some point. Okay, guys? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.